Hey first grade friends, it's Mr. B here with another math lesson. So today we're going to work on a math box together, watch a video, and then we're going to talk about adding and subtracting tens. Okay, and that's going to be our strategy for math today. So what I want you to do is grab a piece of paper and something to write with real quick. Okay, so if you need to pause the video you can, but I'll wait a second for you to grab that to work with. Alright, I hope you're back already and we'll start working on number 2. Okay, so first one, 2 plus 5. That should be a quick answer for you hopefully by now. Number 7. Awesome. Now when we get to 12 plus 5, friends, you notice the 1 place stays the same. So I know 5 plus 2 equals 7, and I can add my 1, 17. Same thing goes for here, 5 plus 2 equals 7. And I can carry my 4 over. And our last one is actually pretty easy too. 102 plus 5. So we're going to carry the 5 and the 2 over, and then just write a 10 again. Awesome. All right, friends. Number 3 says shade half of the pennies. So I'm going to look, and let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 pennies total. Half of that would be what number? What do you think? If you wrote down 5, you'd be right. So we're going to color in 5 pennies. All right, let's look down. Remember we do these frames and arrows. Okay, so our rule is take away 1. So from 653 to 652, if we took away 1 more, we take 1 from the ones place, we would actually write 651. If we took away 1 more, we'd write 650. Gets kind of tricky here. What's 1 less than 50? If you said 49, you would be right. So you'd write 649. And 1 less than 49 would be 48. Awesome. So friends, we're going to watch a video. I'll still be with you while we're watching. Okay? But it's a video about adding and subtracting tens. All right, friends. So that video talked about adding and subtracting 10. So let's look at this problem right here. 49 plus 10. Okay, I want you to write down what you think the answer is for this problem. Okay, it's actually pretty simple when you're adding 10. Remember, they said we're going to keep the ones place exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to write my 9 because 9 plus 0 equals 0. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is add the tens place together. So 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So our answer is 59. Okay, let's look at the next one. Now, this is 20, but our ones place still stays the same. So 0 plus 5, that's what we're going to do first. What's 0 plus 5? 5. Awesome. And now we're going to look at our tens place. What's 3 plus 2? 5. Right. See, when you break it down into little smaller numbers, it kind of makes the math seem pretty easy, right? Now here's a bigger one. I want you to try this one first before I help you out. Okay, 24 plus 50. So remember, we're going to start with our ones place, which is I hope what you did first. What's 0 plus 4? 4. And then we're going to switch to our tens place. What's 5 plus 2? 7. Awesome. So our answer is 74. See, friends, when you break it up like that, it kind of makes the math a lot quicker and easier. Okay, now we're going to do some subtracting. So we're going to use the same strategy we've been using, but now we're going to take away. Okay, so we're going to start with our ones place. What's 5 take away 0? That should be a pretty easy one. That one is just 5. Right? Now, we have our tens place here. What's 6 take away 3? 3, right. You can put your 3 right there. We have 35. Awesome. We have 2 more we're going to do together. Okay? Now, I want you to try this one on your own. 84 minus 20. So remember, we're going to start with our ones place. What's 4 take away 0? That's just 4. And we have our tens place here. What's 8 take away 2? 8, and then we take away 2. That would get us 6. So if you're at 64, you'd be exactly right. Okay, friends, that's all the time we're going to have for today for our math lesson. So after you watch this, I want you to go back to Seesaw, and you're going to do the activity and send it to your teacher. Okay? We'll see you next time.